What if I told you YouTube is literally hiding features that could double your reach, and most creators don't even know they exist? These are secret tools inside your own studio that can skyrocket your growth if you use them the right way. And today, I'm going to show you all of them, one by one. So before we jump in, hit that subscribe button, drop a like, and comment below. Let's get into video.
Let's start with the most powerful, and probably the most underused feature, the A/B thumbnail test. YouTube recently added this in the experiments section. It lets you upload 2 different thumbnails for the same video, and YouTube automatically tests which one gets more clicks. Imagine, you don't have to guess anymore which thumbnail works. You let YouTube decide. Pro tip, keep one thumbnail bright and emotional and the other minimal and text-based. You'll instantly learn what your audience connects with. Once you get that data, apply it across your next uploads. It's like using psychology plus data together. Now let's move to the research tab, a literal goldmine for YouTube creators. This tool tells you what your audience is actually searching for, and even what they can't find enough good videos on. Type your niche keyword, for example, YouTube Shorts, and boom, you'll see what people are looking for, how often, and where there's content gap. That content gap is your next viral idea. So next time you're out of ideas, don't scroll Instagram. Open your research tab instead. Alright, this next feature is really cool, and I promise, even if you've seen it before, you probably aren't using it the right way. It's called the Real-Time Analytics tab in YouTube Studio. Basically, it shows you which of your videos are getting views right now, like at this very moment. Think of it as YouTube whispering to you, hey, people really like this one. Here's the simple hack. Look at your top performing video or short. Check its title, topic, and style. Then make a new video based on that same idea, but give it a fresh twist or hook. For example,
Topic: AI video creation, from text to full video. What if I told you this entire video, voice, visuals, and editing, was made by AI in under 2 minutes?
this way you're not just guessing what works. You're letting YouTube show you exactly what your audience loves. And that's how creators grow faster. Quick question for you. Have you ever checked your real-time analytics before? Drop a comment below. I'd love to see how many of you are already using this trick. Feature number 4, upload defaults. Seriously, this one can save you hours every week. Okay, imagine this. Every time you upload a video, you go and type the same things again and again. Your hashtags, your channel link, your Instagram link, your little subscribe message, right? Now, instead of doing that every single time, YouTube gives you an option to save all that once in something called Upload Defaults. Upload your next video, YouTube will automatically fill in your description, tags, and settings for you. No need to copy-paste again and again. Just focus on your title, thumbnail, and upload. For example, in my Upload Defaults, I've added my Instagram link, my like, share, and subscribe, so I just upload, check once, and boom, done. And here's why this matters. When your descriptions and tags look consistent, YouTube understands your channel better. That's how you slowly build your brand identity. People start recognizing your style and tone. Consistency won trust, and trust won growth. Okay, now let's talk about something every new YouTuber should know. Advanced features. You might have seen this option inside YouTube Studio under feature eligibility, but most people don't really understand what it does. So let me break it down simply. Think of it like this. When you first create a channel, YouTube gives you basic access. You can upload videos, shorts, and basic stuff, but that's it. When you unlock advanced features, YouTube basically starts trusting your channel more. It gives you extra powers, like uploading videos longer than 15 minutes, adding external links in your video descriptions, like your Instagram, website, or other pages, using custom thumbnails, appealing Content ID or copyright claims if something goes wrong. But here's the thing. Don't just unlock it and forget it. Use it strategically. For example, once you can add links, don't waste that space. Put your Instagram, Discord, or even a free resource link in your description. That way, people who like your content can follow you outside YouTube too, and you're slowly building your own community. That's how big creators grow fast, not just inside YouTube, but beyond it. Because if YouTube ever changes something in the future, your real audience, your community, still stays with you. So if your advanced features are still locked, go to YouTube Studio, Settings, Channel, Feature Eligibility, and start the verification process today. Believe me, once you unlock it, you'll feel like you leveled up as a creator. Now you know, YouTube isn't really hiding anything. The secret is simple. You just have to explore a little deeper. And if you're still watching till this point, that means you're one of those smart creators who truly wants to grow and improve. If this video helped you even a little, don't forget to hit the like button, comment "I'm in the 1% below," and subscribe to Epic Seconds, because I share more hidden YouTube tips like this every week. See you in the next one.